Hey, what's up? This is KS for After Effects tutorial channel and welcome back. Today I want to show you how to motion tracking your 2D point like this. Okay, let's start. I have two samples of video clips. This video clip is camera tracking, but I want to track 2D motion. There is the point or there is the target. Select your video and go to workspace, motion tracking. Select again your clip, and there is track motion. There is anchor point. Zoom in and select your anchor point. This target is very nice because this little area is red and around this is dark. My target point is this red area. And now analyze forward. Take a look. Your point must be tracked from start to end without risk. And now right click, new, null objects, and edit target, null object 1, press OK and apply. Because my tracking point is 2D XY, press OK. So there is a null object. Play now. Press F4 for parent web, link to null object 1, and now play. Okay, let's go another. This is the second shot. In this scene the camera is still, but the object is moving. The first scene was the camera was moving, and in this scene the object is moving like this. Where is our track point? This is the track point, the best track point. Select your clip and now track motion, and select your track motion point, move there, and then analyze forward. Oh shit. Press page down and page up. This is page down. This view frames you must control by keyframings. And now right click, create new null object, and edit target, null object 2, press OK, and then apply, press OK. Okay, play now. Yeah, good. Okay, now right here, Nike, change it regular, press S for scale down, rotate, W is for rotate, S for scale, V for move. Parent web to null object to, and fit again. Play now. Turn off the music. Okay, thank you for watching. This was about motion tracking 2D point. See you next time. Don't forget like and subscribe the channel.